All right, so here is my streaming service here, or my streaming data for my um my data analysis. Sorry. So I for this I'm using Pandas, and I've got a main function, a read file function, a compute data function, a valid country, a favorite genre by country, favorite genre by gender, and watched most on device. So this program takes this streaming viewership data, which has user ID, session ID, device ID, video ID, duration watched by minutes, genre, country, age, gender, subscription, subscription status, rating, languages, device type, location, playback quality, and interaction events. So my main questions were, what device do people use to watch their shows? In other words, what is the most common device that they use? What genre is most watched in the United States? And is there a difference between men and women's favorite genres? So as I run my program here, I can go through, I can either quit, I can do favorite genre by country, and then you have the option to list valid countries, which I used a unique filter so that it only gives one of each and then sorts it. So if I say yes, it gives me a list of all of the countries that have data attached to them. And then it will ask me to type a country name. And it needs to be case specific because of, obviously this doesn't have case specific for this, so I can't just uppercase each individual word. So I'm going to type United States of America, and I press enter. And then it gives me, for the first table, it shows the average, minimum, and maximum time watched by genre. So in the United States, an hour and a half is the average time to watch an action show. Comedy, documentary, drama, sci-fi, thriller. And there's also the mean and the maximum amount of time spent on each genre. So I can get this information for any country that I want. And the second table is the number of sessions recorded watching a genre. So for America, there are 7 different sessions that watch sci-fi, 6 that watch drama, 6 that watch comedy, 4 watched documentary, 3 watched action, and 2 watched thriller. So thriller was the least sought after show, and action was the longest here in time watched, but may not have the longest, or sci-fi has the most sessions started watching that show. And then the third table, I was able to combine the 2 tables. You can choose another option, which I'm going to say yes. I have the option to view favorite genre by gender. So that's number 2. And it's the same 3 tables that it shows here. Or, yeah. So it's the same 3 tables. So this one is time watched by males. So the highest, males tend to watch documentaries for the longest, and females tend to watch sci-fi for the longest time. And then here it shows the number of sessions. So men tend to watch a lot more documentaries, both for length and for sessions, than women do. But women tend to watch more thrillers. And then the 2 that are the closest, which doesn't surprise me all that much, is action and sci-fi. Those numbers are pretty closely related for the most part. So it shows that data there. And then for the final one, you can find out which device is used to watch more shows. So overall, smart TVs are used to watch the most shows, followed by desktops and smartphones. This kind of surprised me because our day and age, there's a lot of shows being watched on smartphones. I could easily see this number increasing over the years, but as of right now, this is what the data says. So that is my program. If I don't want to choose another option, I can say no, and it quits me out of the program. So that is what I've got. So thanks for watching.